A lot of you guys have been asking me about my sweet potato toast, so I figured I'd show you how to make it. It's super simple. I have this for breakfast most mornings. So you start by just cutting a hunk of sweet potato, maybe, you know, half an inch thick, not super thick. Put it on a plate. Pop it in the microwave. I typically do 3 minutes. So the cook time definitely depends on how big your piece of sweet potato toast is. This was just an average size piece that I typically go with, like a medium to large sweet potato. So I went with 3 minutes on that, but definitely feel it out with your microwave. All right, so this baby's done. Sometimes I just spread peanut butter on it and eat it because I'm lazy, but a lot of the time I put it in the toaster oven for a round. So my toaster oven is on medium. It was about 3 minutes in there. Easy as that. And then I'm gonna put some peanut butter on it. Recently, I've been mixing my peanut butter with collagen or protein powder just to add a little extra protein to my breakfast. But just spread on your nut butter like that, easy peasy. You can sprinkle some chia seeds on top. I've been doing ground flax. You can add some raisins. The possibilities are endless. Delicious, obviously. So that's it, sweet potato toast. Super simple to make, delicious, nutritious. Definitely try it for breakfast or a snack.